Hi all, welcome to Beer Knowledge Center. In this session, we'll see like how to create an MSI file using WiX Tool Set. In the previous sessions, we'll discussed about the introduction bit of WiX Tool Set and the process of installing WiX Tool Set into a Windows machine, and then seeing different templates in Visual Studio after installing Visual Studio extension based on the version. Now let us look at this WiX toolset in deeper, like creating the MSI or MSM or MST or MSP kind of files, and then see like how it is working when you install it same in the machine. Okay, let's quickly get into the practical stuff here. I'm just opening my Visual Studio, which got I already have it some stuff in this console application. Sorry, it's a Windows application. So where I have some exe which got some UI here, where it is accepting a couple of things as an input, and it is showing something on the design part. If I run this, so I'll get some UI. So where this is looks like this kind of stuff. Now I want to build an MSI file for this, and then I need to install that and see like how it is copying my exe. Okay, so as I mentioned, so we need to be installed WiX toolset into this machine, and also we need to install Visual Studio extension because I'm using Visual Studio 2022, and then I installed my WiX toolset here. Once you install it, it is going to show you here WiX setup editor here, where this is going to show you different options like you need to you can add it from the UI. Okay, let's not get into that UI right now. So we'll just see like how to create a template of WiX related template and create MSI file here. Okay, so this is my project, which is fine and running now. So this is the code and stuff, it is running. Now I'm just getting to this code and stuff. I'll just add the WiX toolset project here, add new project, and search for WiX here because it's already got installed here. It is going to show you the different templates here. This is for setup project for MSI, and this is for MSM, the Mesh model project. This is for library of WiX toolset setup, and this is for bootstrapper project for WiX toolset. Now we'll select setup project for WiX v3 because I'm going to create Microsoft installer here. Just click on here. It is going to ask you the project name. I'm just saying WiX demo, and then clicking on create, and it is going to add this project file here, product.wxs. This is the project file it is adding here in the XML format. As I mentioned, WiX is nothing but Windows installer from the XML. This is the XML. Based on this XML, it is going to install or create different kind of installer files. Okay, and the first one was the product here. We need to specify the details of the product, and this is the package, and this is a major upgrade, and this is the feature, and this is the fragmentation part you need to mention it here, and this is the fragment, another fragment, so where you can specify the required file stuff here, like what kind of order of the files you need to insert, or the keys and other resources you wanted to be included as part of MSI file. All those things can be specified here. Okay, now let's just build this empty project, try to build it. So it is going to throw you an exception that product manufacturer attribute value cannot be an empty string. So this manufacturer attribute always should have some value here, and that value we need to be mentioned here. If you look at here product, we have different attributes. So here manufacturer, I'm going to say WiX demo, and that I'm going to use it here is title, and here and other stuff like I think somewhere this directory name as well. All these names I'm going to give the same name, manufacturer. Now I try to build again, and I'm just building it. Now it started building my WiX setup file here, and so no entries it is talking about here. And if you look at here, it was created my setup file, and I just look at this file. I have the setup file. So if you click on this MSI file, it is going to start installing the stuff into your system, but we have not given any inclusion files here. This is completely empty here. Now, if you wanted to include this exe console application or Windows application, what I have shown you, this UI exe, then how to do that? So what I'm doing it here is I'm going to add a component here instead of this component, and id equal to I'm going to say that WiX demo, and I'm going to say GUI value. Yes, I'm going to get this GUI value from online. So there are GUI value generator, where you can get dynamic value from the online. So I'm taking this value and I'm pasting it here, and then inside of this component, I'm going to include file here, file id equal to, and this exe is going to be created. This is exe. You can give any ID, or I'll give same ID here. It's not a problem. And here you say the name of the file you want to create it here. So this is going to create exe as .exe, right? And then you specify the source where this tool is going to copy the exe. So when you build this, so and this tool set, you will get this exe in this particular path, right? Let's build this and see like where it is building the exe. Build. Okay, this is my exe, and copying this, and I'm saying this is the path which I wanted this tool fetch that particular file and include in my installer file. So let's close this tag and try to build your setup file, WiX Tool setup file. Then we're just talking about something. This is cannot find build a bin debug space. Okay, build it. Started building my project, and now you can see this MSI path here. Just go to this path, and you can see the MSI file here with the cab, because this cab is having the included files stuff here. And when you start opening this, I mean, when you start installing this installer, and then it is going to ask you to run this with administrator privileges, and then it is going to install the relevant files and by default the program files. Let's see, I'm clicking on S, and when I go on the C here, C drive, program files, I can see WiX demo here, and this is my exe is coming now. This is just now copied here. When I click on here, it is again showing my exe. So this is how it is coming out here, and even you can see same stuff if you wanted to see in your control panel, you can see here. So this is simple kind of file included as part of this to create a setup file here, this exe, and that is successfully included in my setup file and created the MSI file here. That's what we have seen here. And if you want, you can uninstall this. Then it's going to clear the or remove the copied and created folder in the specified path. Okay, so this is how we are going to generate MSI file using WiX Tool Set. And just for sample, I've taken exe file and created, right? And even you go and see here in the program files, you will not see that path WiX demo folder here. Okay, so I hope you understand like of creating these MSI file using WiX Tool Set. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.